Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2017 LDV V80 stock number 6534. It's ran from the first 2016 to the current shape. It is a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a S6VC 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front car no dents, left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, one dent, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, left hand tailgate door, right hand tailgate door 1 dent, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front headlight, right front door cord, right front master switch, CD radio, instrument cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel,